Good morning, student. Now, last period already you have studied direct variation. Direct variation means we know x, we say it is directly proportional to the y, and the equation of this one x is equal to ky. Already you studied this one. Today now you have to study inverse variation. So for that we taken one example. Number of workers we shown by letter n. Number of days required to complete the work, it is by letter D. Then here third column we taken the product n into D. Okay. Now here number of workers, suppose two workers completed one work in 36 days. Okay. Now number of workers increases. So days, we require days, number of days is less because worker more, then work completed in less days, means this one increase. So if double of this one, so days required 50% of this one. Okay. If number of workers again here decrease, number of days increase. Already you have studied in the direct variation, one quantity increase, another also increase, one decrease, another also decrease. But here one quantity increase, another decrease. Okay, increase decrease, one quantity is decrease, another increase. So like this variation is there, like this relation is there, that is known as inverse variation. In direct variation already you see there, you taken the ratio of x upon y and that ratios are same, then we say that is direct variation. In inverse variation you have to take the product. Here division in direct variation, and in inverse variation you have to take the product. So we'll see now n into d. What is the product? 72. 18 4s are 72. 24 3s are 72. Means here product same. So if product same, there is inverse variation. If division is same, then there is a direct variation. This is the difference between inverse and direct variation. So that is very important. See that properly. So definition is what? If x and y are two quantities such that x into y is equal to this product come constant. Constant means same. Then this there is a inverse variation between the two variables. So here this inverse variation written like this. See what is the difference between direct and inverse. Here both numbers given like this, then there is a direct variation. But if no one number is given in the denominator like this, x here 1 upon y. So how to read this one? X is inversely proportional. X is inversely proportional to the y. Here you how to read this one? X is directly proportional to the y. Okay, that is the difference. Here 1 upon y, then inverse directly given. There is no denominator, so direct variation, directly proportional. Here also this k indicates constant. X is equal to k upon y. Here k upon y. Here directly we taken x is equal to ky. Okay. So now this y is divided. When it comes left side, multiply. So this is known as equation of variation, inverse variation. And in direct variation, which one is the equation? X is equal to ky. That is the equation of direct variation. This is the equation of inverse variation. That is the difference. Okay. So here we will take one example. Complete the table. If number of days, number of workers shown by letter n. If they are not given letter, you can assume any letter for this. Number of worker n, number of days is d. Here 30 workers required 6 days. See, worker less, days increases. 20 workers, 9 days. First two columns are given. Then you have to find these 3 blanks. Okay. So you can take any value. You just see, it is the inverse variation. Take the product 180. Here also 180. Means you can take any value. Suppose we take an n is this one, inverse variation. So this is the equation of variation. We taken first suppose column, n is 30 and d is 6. Put that value. It is what? 180. Means value of k is what? 180. So here already both values given. In third column, n is not given. D is given 12. Already k we found it is 180. So using this, again you have to find the value of n. So equation is nd is equal to k. Put value, n is not given. D is 12. K is 180. This 12 is multiplied. When it goes that side, divide. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. What remain? 6 remain, 60. 12 5s are 60. So value of n is what? 15. So this answer come 15. Okay. Like this you have to find second and third. Here n is given, m you have to find, k is no. Here this one and this one is same. So try to solve these two examples. Okay.